Yes, guys. Back again with a banger. Guys, this one is on the 5 best digital products you should be creating using Midjourney AI, which can be done really quickly and will get you that passive income really fast. So guys, if you love digital products, you love creating, you love selling, all of that good stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, guys, and I'll go through those 5 fantastic ideas right now. And guys, don't forget, as I go through the video, please put in the comments which is your favorite digital product to produce. Guys, these are the easiest, which I love creating. They're so easy, it's unreal. Now, the first one on my list is Tumblr designs. I love creating Tumblr wraps. They're so easy to do. I love looking at them. I love creating them. And here you see you got a bundle of 100 beautiful 3D flower bundle Tumblr wraps for 20 ounce straight Tumblr wraps, which are sold on Etsy. Now this seller is doing very well, and I'll just show you exactly how much they're making right now. They are making on a monthly $6,800 a month. And this is just for the downloadable PNGs for these 100 3D flower designs. You're not selling anything physical. It's purely digital, guys. So a lot of that is profit. And it's only been listed for 2 months. That's crazy. Why do you think I love it so much? And the profits are crazy. So anyways, guys, you got to check this one out. But anyway, at the moment it's on a sale. So it's going to be obviously less. But if it wasn't, that's 6,800 a month. That's one listing, guys. Don't forget, that's one listing. They got load of listings. So that is my first one. Yeah, so guys, don't forget to check out my playlists where I go through exactly how to produce these fantastic designs, beautiful qualities, mad on Midjourney AI. Here's an example of one of the things that I did show. This is the 3D, if you like, floral, seamless. Don't forget, because it's got to be seamless designs using Midjourney. And like I said, the qualities is absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at this mock-up. I can even produce mock-ups on Midjourney, which are beautiful as well. The quality is unreal, guys. Look at these designs. Look at these florals. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at that. Gorgeous, guys. And this is all done using Midjourney AI. Actually, all of these designs that I'm going to show you can be done really quickly on Midjourney AI. So please make sure after this video, you check out my playlist so I can show you exactly how to produce it in literally a few minutes and get that listed on Etsy very quickly. So the next one on the list, so after looking at these Tumblr, remember Tumblrs are very popular, so that's really good as long as you get the right niche. Here's the next one, which is clip art. Now watercolor clip art are actually very popular right now. Obviously it's about niching down. Now remember, I always say it to everybody that watches, you got a sub niche. So you got the overall niche, so it might be Tumblr, it might be clip art, but you got a sub niche. So what things can you find? And I've got videos on that. So sometimes you might go into the floral and you think flowers are very popular. Yes, but what kind of flowers? Might be poppy, it might be birth flower, it might be daffodil, might be a daisy, might be sunflower. So you have to also drill down to the type of flower, because you need to make sure that you got the right kind of volume as well to find. So I use EVERBEE. Like I said, I use EVERBEE, which is my go-to SEO software. This way I can analyze and find the keywords and the ones that are not saturated and the ones that have sufficient volume but low competition, guys. If you're going to rank on Etsy and you got millions of people on there, right, you need to find those niches within the niche, the sub niches that you can rank for with the long tail keywords, and then the ones that are not saturated, the low competition ones, guys. So that is my tip for you guys. Don't forget, you need some kind of SEO software. So do check out EVERBEE. The link is in my description. You can try it out for free. But my second one is clip art. And the reason why I love clip art so much is of its versatility and the reason why people love it. So for example, these wildflower clip arts you can see on my screen, you can see the mock-up. They've used it for like I think a wedding card. Yep, I think Alex and Claire, I think. So that can be used for cards, but they can be used for all sorts. Sometimes they're used not only for printables, but for more mug designs, even clothing, so many things, bags. And at the end, remember, I'm going to show you some fantastic nuggets of how you can maximize your profits from these digital products. Now, how much does this, would you say this makes, this wildflower design clip art? Simple, easy to do. 2 minutes on Midjourney. 2,428 for this listing, guys. This is a one listing and it's been up for 3 months. Fantastic profit, right? Amazing. That's one listing, guys. For some people, that's a wage for a month. Now, they've got a lot more listings than that, I can tell you. But that's my second, and this is why it's my second, one of my second ideas, digital products that I love out of the 5. Now, let's move on to number 3, guys. Number 3 is wall art. I love printable wall arts because these are so underrated and there's so much scope. I've got loads of videos on it. Please check it out. It goes through some really low competition ones, some fantastic ideas, some custom ones. Custom is good as well, guys. Now, how much does this make? This is like, what? It's got a set of 9 botanical wall arts, right? We can do this very quickly on Midjourney. Don't forget, these are digital downloads, but they got these fantastic mock-ups so you can actually see how it looks in its setting, guys, right? This is literally digital downloads. Look, PDF. How much would this, do you think, make? Remember, don't forget, put in the comments which is your favorite type of digital product for me. Let's analyze the listing using EVERBEE. Now, this one is selling for $9,152 a month. One listing, guys. Yes, it's on a sale, so take that into account. 20 plus in a basket. They love it. They absolutely love it. So these ideas of New York, Paris posters, look at it. These are cities, but they got a representation of the flowers, flower market flowers for those cities. Amazing. Beautiful idea. We can knock this up in Midjourney. Check out my videos on Midjourney wall art, guys. It's crazy. Now, the other thing I like about this SEO software is that I like to check and see. It's like looking through a window. Let's see what these guys, what tags they're using. So these are the tags that this person who's selling fantastically well is using. And you can only get that with SEO software. So do check out my SEO software. The link is in my description. You can try it for free. But look, so for example, floral wall arts, this is the volume. Floral art prints, this is the volume. Flower market, this is the volume. So they're very smart. They've hit on many different keywords with lots of volume, and that volume together makes a huge amount of volume. So very clever, very smart in what they're doing. Okay, that's my third favorite digital product, guys. Now let's go to my fourth favorite digital product, which is, as some of you will know from looking, digital stickers. I love digital stickers. They're so easy to produce, guys. And check out my watercolor digital stickers that we produced recently. Now, there's some of these there's all different types. These are just cute ones, cute digital stickers, a whole bundle. And remember, guys, bundles sell well. And the good thing about Midjourney is you can create bundles very quickly. So don't forget, you got to have those bundles, guys. These are like super cute, I guess kawaii style, cute digital stickers that people just love, and they use it for different things as well. That's the other thing. They're quite versatile. So let's have a look and see these. But there's a lot of these. I mean, there's a lot of these ones. So, you know, it's a massive, massive bundle. But let's see how much they're making. So these guys are making approximately 2,284. Not too shabby, guys. Pretty cool, right? Again, it's on a sale, so you got to take that into account. But look, this is passive. Once you this is the beautiful thing about digital products. Once you produce it once, that's it. It can sell and sell and sell and sell year on year. Now, this has only been up for 2 months, guys, and it's already making 2,284. Sorry, got fantastic mock-ups. Take the sale into account. It's a bestseller already. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Let's have a look. Going down. Look, the reviews are lovely. They love it. 555. Item quality 5, delivery 5, customer service 5. Easy, beautiful, right? Let's go to my fifth idea, and most people know this, and it's digital paper or digital pattern paper. I love these guys. They are so versatile. I want to show you the versatility right at the end of this video, which is coming real soon, so stay right to the end. Only a few minutes left. Check this out, guys. This digital paper, you know, seamless paper, can be used for so many things. It's ridiculous. Whether it be wallpaper for phone, iPad, you know, like digital wallpaper backgrounds. Whether it be, you can use it to actually put on physical products. Even this digital kind of paper can be used to adapt and put on tumbler wraps, mug wraps, many different types of wraps. You can use it for wall art, guys. You can have it on t-shirts. It is endless. The versatility of seamless digital patterns carries on and on and on, and it's absolutely endless. And the versatility of these are amazing. So guys, these are my 5 top digital products which you can produce very quickly, very easily using Midjourney AI to get that fantastic passive income through selling it on Etsy. And let me show you the nugget now. Now, what I would do is I would integrate PRINTIFY. PRINTIFY is a fantastic drop shipping, if you like, third party, which you can actually sell physical products by actually using your digital product designs onto it. Now, you don't need to do anything. You just need to integrate it, and then you need to make sure that your designs are on there. Now, what I mean by designs are on there, I'll show you exactly what I mean. This is an example of one of the digital patterns from digital paper patterns that was there ready to produce, say, a pillow, which is beautiful. So if somebody was interested in a pillowcase, then they would come and buy this from me. If they were interested in, and this is a very interesting one, phone cases, mobile phone cases. People are loving to buy these beautiful designs on there, and this is also actually quite popular. I've done a video on this as well, so do check it out. This is how we would integrate from selling a 2D product into a physical product. And guys, the list goes on, and some of the other really cool, beautiful designs which you can do could be a canvas design, could be a notepad. So for example, with wall art, not only could it be wall art, right, a digital product, but it could be a design that goes onto a mug. This is kind of this preppy design style. And then you've got the canvas, obviously, which you can sell it. So not only would it be a printable digital wall art, but you can also sell it and integrate it as a canvas as well. And this canvas can be sold, again, through PRINTIFY. And then you'd get, obviously, the profit for this, right? Other things, I looked at digital clip art, if you remember. So this clip art can be used for so many different things. People love digital clip art for their journals, for their notepads. And this is a beautiful example of it. And for other things as well. Again, people want to have their designs on a mug, and what they can do is, on top of that, with PRINTIFY, you can customize it where you have maybe the customer's name on there as well. So what I'm saying is, with these digital products, it's an endless thing. And here's a tumbler design which I did using something that's actually quite popular, which is weird, but it is sunflower and horses. Like, I never thought it was popular, but sunflower and horses is actually a popular kind of search, right? So this is an idea, again, a seamless design for sunflower and horses, which I've integrated with PRINTIFY. So this is what I'm saying, guys. There are nuggets where the digital product crosses over with the physical, where you can actually sell. And actually, you don't need to do anything. You're not selling the physical product yourself. It's done all through PRINTIFY. All you need to do is upload your digital product design. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did find any value, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. You got to check out my playlist on those 5 digital products, because I've got all the playlists also there. They're ready for you in the description. And do check out EVERBEE and all the other SEO software to help you rank, guys. And if you like the video, remember, please hit that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.